Alright, here we go. Come on.
Let's go. Hey, you want to see?
Come on, clear.
Oh, shoot, my bad. That was open hand, too.
Lefty, I don't know how to do that. Alright, come on, he's blocking. 1-0. Wait, do you guys want to switch on 11 instead of 7?
What do you think, son? Yeah, sure.
Sure, okay.
Oh, the only thing in this big field.
Stop, put it. Damn it.
And my ACL's
You gotta be good.
They're like good though.
No.
That was tough. Point is a point, man.
2-1.
That's over on the second.
2-1. Nice. Oh! Definitely 3-1.
Is that in or out?
Yeah, dude. This drop is super fast. I didn't know, so I only touched it under the drop. Oh, Evan! Great swing, Evan. 4-1. 4-1.
Oh, you.
Yes.
Over. I got you.
Victory! Oh. Just semi-regular.
I tried to do a moaning.
5-1. Stuck in?
I'm gonna stop trying shit. I'm gonna stop trying shit.
Down 6-1. He gets the best team. Yeah. Come on.
No. It's sad.
Okay.
It's on camera. On camera.
Come on, go up and block. You're gonna be fast. Hurry up. 6-2.
Holy shit. I rushed that way too much.
7-2. Yeah, shit up. 3. Oh, stop. Out. Nice. Good work. Me.
It's their fault.
7-3.
Wow. Thanks, Tina. Look, you should get that.
Yeah. Okay. You know what? 8-3. Oh! 8-4. 8-4. Come on. Alright, let's play smart.
Got baited, bro. No way, got baited. Aren't you the host? Hey, fine.
Both get passes.
That's right. Over. Hey, no way. 4-5. Oh. Nice pass, bro.
9-5.
What, 9-5?
Yeah.
We missed the switch.
All right. Unless we get a bounce. All right. 9-5. Beautiful. 10-5. Out.
It hit the ground before I hit the net. It did that. Back down. Yeah, net. You like did all this.
What?
I'm trying to find you. Everybody's already
11-5.
I'm trying to get you my brother. Yeah, what's his age?
Yeah, we're eating straight dick right now. We're getting pounded.
15-5. Holy shit.
Whoa, beautiful.
Hey, quick reminder, a net's a net. So if you hit the ball and it lands first and then you net, it's still continuation, it's still a net. Okay? That way we're not picking the touch first and touch last. If you're right at the net and you end up on it,
I was going to. I ain't fucking serious.
Every time they hit it, they tape. Or the lip hits it, you tape.
Is it my serve?
Yeah.
Hey, me. 17-6.
I'm not good at it.
No. Hey! Open it. Open it.
Otherwise, I would have gone higher.
17-7.
wow!
There, I was there.
17-8.
Line.
17-9. Duncan, watch the option.
had the two.
Indoor, that would have been bounced now. Well,
89. Nice, Jimmy.
you got
89. Oh, you take C.
what?
You said I take a short, you take C, right?
Okay.
That unpredictable, I'm trying my hardest. Fuck. Great. I said don't.
19, 8.
99.
99. Oh, shot. Five, that's it.
Oh, behind me. Is that net?
I just jumped
Forward. It stopped recording.
Oh. Nothing, it's good.
It didn't stop recording.
Oh.
He said he was lying.
1910. I go up. Up.
Oh, my bad.
I saw the line move. Yeah, when he stepped on the line, it moved. That's not
2011. Evan, you took down the whole net.
I didn't touch the net.
I took the ball though.
Evan, bro.
2012.
That's. I can't run back on that.
Hey, look. At least I ain't doing like
Bro, Evan took down the whole net.